Hello and welcome to my channel. Let's work with fonts in Photopea. Okay, to start with, I will have to enable the type tool by going for the T. I will click on that type tool and click on the background and start typing. Then let me go enable the move tool so that I will be able to move this from one place to another. So when I double click on it, have a look and see what happens. I will double click on it now. You can see this drop down menu here. When you click on that, you will be able to change the font. We have a lot of fonts here. There is a way to upload a custom font as well. I have a video on that. Then let me go select this one and wait for it. So have a look and see what we have. You can increase the size here by going for the drop down menu once again, and using the progress bar you can increase that. You can equally type it manually by highlighting it and type 69 and hit enter on your keyboard. Then we go for confirm and you are good to go. Let me do that once again. I will double click on it. So have a look here. You can see that we have three different forms here. You can go for the light, for the regular, or for the bold. Let me go for the bold. It's reflected as you can see. There is another way to navigate to this font interface. Okay, how do we do that? Let me go confirm this first. Then make sure that under the layers interface here that you have your item selected. As you can see, we have normal selected. Then what you have to do is to go for this T here, this capital T. Click on that and you will see this interface once again. Going for this drop down here will help you change your font. Okay, then you can change the font type here. Okay, then you can increase the size here. You can equally bolden it once again here. When you click on this P, you can see how bold it is. You can play around with all these forms here. Okay, can play around with them. So clicking on H we disable the function. I will just go back and click on all of them. After that, if you want to go out of this interface, go click back on that T. I will go click back on it and you are good to go. So this is how you can change your font in Photopea. Thanks for watching and God bless you. Remember, we're going to be uploading more videos on Photopea. If you don't mind, subscribe to the channel and see you in my next video.